Hello everyone, I have another package from China and it is from Gearbest, I believe. It is what I think it is. And yes, it is. So it is a gardening glove with this little, okay, it's some plastic, I don't know what it's called. So it's not for me, it's for my mom, for her birthday, like part of her birthday gift. So I guess it just help you to dig a hole, or not dig a hole, but you know, just arranging the soil in the garden. So I don't know if she's gonna be able to use it or wants to use it or not, but well, yeah. So the other half of the glove, it doesn't have these things. Maybe it would be a better idea to put it on the left hand, so anyone who use it, and like most people are right-handed, so they can do different things. They can hold things with the right hand, and they can just do like arranging the soil with the left hand. Okay, so I don't have a big hand, like my mom probably have even smaller. So if I put my finger all the way here, as far as it's allowing, then I can't really bend my fingers more than this one after that, because this part here. So if it would be shorter, probably it would be more comfortable. And yes, so probably not much to tell about it. It's not a high quality plastic, let me add it. And it's also something where your hand's gonna be really sweating inside this glove. Yeah, so that's it. And I'm also gonna show you the other part of the birthday present of my mom. It's arrived like last week or sometime. It's a real pretty stone, so I guess it's really looks good, and she likes this kind of crystals or stones. So, but the main point of this video is this glove. It's really cheap, so you cannot expect too high quality. It's a gardening glove, so you know, some people need it, some people don't need it. If you I can see that it can be help in a garden if you need this kind of things, but once again, if you are right-handed, then probably it would be more useful on the left hand. So okay, I'm gonna check, but I don't think it's removable. No, it's glued there. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.